So this is a 1986 first lot RX100. It was one of the first 500 bikes that came to India, and this bike is the number 64th bike. It's a 64th bike. You can identify it on the engine number. It's 1L1001000064. It is the 64th bike that ever came. It is having original made in Japan covers, the original Y1 block. It's having its original chain cover, original carrier. It also has an original Rajdoot tail light. I don't know if you can see it. It's in the video. It is also coming to us from the first owner itself. The bike. The first owner of this bike got the bike, and there are like-minded people that still ride the bike, and it's so good to see that these bikes are still running with the first owner in such beautiful condition. This bike came in for wiring issues. I sorted all the wiring, rectifier work, battery work. The battery wasn't charging, the lights and everything wasn't working. He got the LED replaced by someone else. Honestly, I don't like the LED concept, but he got the LED replaced by someone else, and yeah, that's what the bike is. Now the bike is come today for servicing work, etc. I am thinking of putting it back the original mudguards. These are not the original mudguards. He had got it restored by someone, but that guy had kept everything intact. You know, it has the Toshima covers. It is also having a Japanese chassis. Once I open the seat, I can show you all the mark inside. It has a Japanese chassis. So this is what it is. It has original block, original head. The bike is completely original except the headlight and fewer parts like the mudguards. Even the leg guard, the crash guard is original of the bike. Yeah. The meter has been changed due to obvious reasons, but it still has the 6-volt magnet coil in it. It has the Yamaha logo CDI in it, and everything that comes from an 86 Japanese RX100. This bike is acquired with those parts. The petrol tap has been changed. The original petrol tap comes different, but 90% this bike is original and still with the single owner itself. And the single owner is very happy with the bike. He has rode it to Goa and many different places without a problem. The bike is running currently on his first oversize. It's an unsleeved block. It's running on his very first oversize 25 number piston. As some people call it 20, some people call it 25. Yeah. It's got keys. We had got it restored in the lockdown in the year 2020. It was a very nice restoration done on this bike.